my baby go? I went to New Orleans 'cause she loves the blues. She left with a man wearing blue suede shoes. Oh where did my baby go? I went to California 'cause she loves the sun. I thought she might be there having fun. Oh where did my baby go? Baby ain't there, she hates the snow. Oh where did my baby go? Yeah, I went to New York City and Chicago town. I asked all my buddies, have you seen her around? Oh where did my baby go? Is she here? Is she there? Have you seen her anywhere? Oh, where did my baby go? Oh, where did my baby go?
Where oh where, it's 32 counts for wall improvement, no tag, no restart, and there are some variations. The first section, weights on your left, start with your right side, behind side, cross side, sailor step, 10:30, kickball step, still 10:30. Next section, cross side square to 12 o'clock, sailor quarter, 4 step, go back to 12, 5, 6, 7, 8. The next section, side rock together, side rock recover, kick across together, step forward, make 1/4, change waist to the left. And then last section, cross hold, side behind, back hold, and just box 5, 6, 7, 8. And then the second option is 1 hold, 2, and back hold, and cross, and then you can turn 1/3, bounce 1/3, and then bounce the last time. So you count to 5, 6, 7, 8, back to the new wall, and then weight on your left to start with your right. And then the last option will be 1 hold, 2, and 3 hold, 4, and side touch, side touch, side touch, ball cross. To start with your right. Now the count. I'll start here, second wall, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Second section, square up, 1, 2, sailor quarter, 3, and 4, 4 step, 5, 6, 7, 8. Third section, side rock and side rock, 1, 2, and 3, 4. Kick across 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Last section, 1 hold, 2, and 3 hold, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. And then the second option is 1 hold 2 and 3 hold 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Weight on your left. And then the last variation will be 1 hold 2 and 3 hold 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. No tag, no restart. And then it is a fun dance, so you can use your own variation to do it.